children. Today we are going to find out a new relationship between HCF and LCM. You know what is HCF? Highest common factor, and LCM is the lowest common multiple. And you have already learned what are factors, what are multiples. So we will just find out a new formula. First, let us face a question. What is our question? Find the LCM of two numbers 18 and 24. So that means we want to find out which is the lowest common multiple. We have to write the multiples of 18, we have to write the multiples of 24, and we will find out which is the lowest multiple. Or we can use this division method where we have 18 and 24. You know that 18 and 24 both can be divided by 2. So let us take 2. 2 9s are 18 and 2 12s are 24. Then again we see that 9 is not divisible by 2 but 12 is. So we have to take 2 again. So we take 2 again and write 9 as it is, and 2 6 are 12. Next we will take again 2 because 6 is divisible by 2. So 9 remains as it is, 2 3s are 6. Now we see that 9 and 3 are not divisible by 2. So which is the next prime number that we can take? It is 3. So I will take 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So the story of 24 is over. Now let us look at this 3, we have 3 1s are 3. So we have so many factors, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So when we multiply all these, we will get the LCM of 18 and 24. So LCM of 18 and 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and that is 72. So please remember what is the LCM of 18 and 24. You have to remember this for the next part of the sum. So if somebody asks you what is the LCM of 18 and 24, immediately you should say 72 for now, okay, for this sum. Remember that. Let us go on now. Find the HCF. So now same numbers. Look at the numbers 18 and 24. So we are finding the HCF of 18 and 24. What do you get? Factors of 18, and what are the factors of 18? The factors of 18 are 1, 2 and 3, 6, 9 and 18. That you already know how to find out the factors. What are the factors of 24? We have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Now HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. Why? Because this is the lowest. This is the common factor, isn't it? Between 18 and 24, 6. 6 is common. After that nothing is common. This is the highest common. The highest common factor between, see, the highest common factor is 6 and 6. This is the highest common factor. So what we will do? We will take this as our answer. 6 here and 6 here. Okay. So 6 is the highest common factor. So now what we do? We will go on. Find the product of HCF and LCM. So our next feat will be to find out what is the product of HCF and LCM of 18 and 24. So let me see how much you remember. What is the LCM of 18 and 24? On the first page that we did? Yes, it was 72. And what is the HCF 18 and 24? It is still here. It is, what is the HCF? Yes, it is 6. Okay. So then what we do? We will write here LCM is 72, HCF is 6. So what is the product of HCF and LCM? What do you get when we multiply the HCF and LCM? 72 into 6, that is 432. Okay. Now what else? Find the product of 18 and 24. So we are just finding out. First we multiply the HCF and LCF. Now we are multiplying the number themselves, 18 and 24. So what do you get when we multiply 18 and 24? 432. There we see some resemblance. What is this? I'll just highlight it to show it to you. Okay. This is what? 432. And what is this number? 432. So you have come to a very important formula. What is the formula? That if you multiply two numbers or you multiply the HCF and LCM of those numbers, we get the same answer. Yes. So when we multiply two numbers or multiply the product of their HCF, or we are finding out the product of HCF and LCF, we get the same answer, isn't it? So we get the same answer. So now we come to the important things that we have learned today, some important formulae. One is product of two number is equal to HCF into LCM. So you have to find out what is the product of HCF and LCM, and you have to find the product of two number, and you will see that both are equal. Next, if in some question HCF of two number is asked, then you have to write the product divided by LCM. So you have to divide the product and the LCM to get the HCF. If LCM is asked, then divide the product by HCF, then you will get the LCM of two numbers. Okay, and also if you are asked one number, you are given one number and you are asked the other number, then what you will do? You will write product of HCF and LCM divided by one number will give you the other number. Other number is equal to product of HCF and LCM by other number. Okay.